My eyes is watery.
I'll say about that.
What do you want to eat? It's late. We don't have lunch.
Yeah, mom's being lazy, so. Whatever.
It's really hot outside.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know. Very hot. No wind at all.
I like that cheese, salt, pretzels, all sorts of meats.
That's not lunch pretzels.
Of course not. It's still food.
Mm.
Leftovers. Sausages. Bagel.
The apple is not too bad.
How about them ambrosia apples? Crisp and sweet.
It's not ambrosia.
Oh no, ambrosia is better.
Is it?
Yes.
Cleaning today is not bad. They're just scraping it off. It's not dirt or nothing.
I used to get cleans. They would do it by hand and it would hurt because my gums had receded too much.
Mm-hmm.
fire, but it's acting like it has. Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Still super sweet. Awesome tea.
No, maybe later.
I did like twice as much as I used to.
Huh?
Trying to make tea. I did too much powder.
Mm. Did you put water on the plants, honey?
Didn't notice.
No, I thought you're just doing something over there.
Yeah, every single plant, and then a large portion of the backyard to put on the leaves. I try to get the water into the plant. And I just water the leaves a little bit at the end because the way plants work is water goes up through the plant from the roots and then goes into the leaves, and then the edge of the leaf, the water evaporates. So if you get some water on
Hi,
it,
Irene.
if you get some water on it,
Try lang ako mag-live ngayon.
it starts evaporating.
Start evaporating. Oh, look at the flowers, so pretty. Hello. What time is it? Though I can't see the clock. What time is it? What is it like?
Your phone tells you the time.
No, I wasn't live. I can't see it.
Spike down.
No. 12:47 ng tanghali. Try lang ako mag-live hanggang mamayang hapon. Anong oras na dyan, Irene, sa Philippines? Anong oras na dyan? I did my eyebrows. This one is thicker and then the other side is not thicker. That's funny. I didn't notice it. Thank you, Irene. 3 a.m. na di dyan? Matulog ka na, bakit gising ka pa? Ay, bakit gising ka na ng maaga? Pa lang pala dyan, madaling araw ng alas 3 sa Pilipinas. In the Philippines, it's 3 a.m. in the morning.
Almost.
Yeah. Ang aga mo magising, Irene. Oh, okay. Go back to sleep. Matulog ka na ulit. Ang aga-aga pa dyan. Ganon din ako minsan eh. Mga siguro alas 3 ng umaga. Babangon, iihi lang ba sa banyo. Bye! Go back to sleep. My eyes is watering. Bye!
You get makeup in your eyes?
I didn't do foundation at all. Just moisturizer. I think those moisturizer give my eyes watering.
Open your eyes.
No, I just need to toilet. It's just watering.
Okay.
Isa to ba sa akin?
Uh-huh. Okay.
No. I'm good.
Got a big one for you.
I have
Better. Make funny faces. Funny faces are good for you.
no. This is not the good place to smell.
There you go.
What happened? Oh, you eat it all?
Like 15.
Really 15? In your mouth? Oh god, no. It's gonna drive me crazy. My hair is gonna... Is it spicy?
It just burns your nose.
That's it?
It's just wasabi. Oh, those tomatoes are looking so happy now.
Yeah.
Their leaves were drooping.
Hmm. What was the last time I went to the doctor, honey? Like 6 months, 7 months ago, huh?
Probably.
Because they asked in the dentist though, what was the last time I went to the doctor? And I told her last time I went to the doctor when I was miscarriage. I was like 7 months or 6 months from now. He said, oh, okay. Just for medical record. And they said, what? Is it a clinic or whatever? Like, no, Kaiser. I wanna do Invisalign. Can I do that to my even I don't have a perfect teeth anymore? I mean,
Don't know.
I wanna do Invisalign. I don't know how much. I think this is cheaper than doing implant. I think. I'm shy. I'm shy to ask. How much is it if I want? We already asked it before, right? But I don't remember.
They said it was like 100 or 200 per tray, something like that.
Not bad.
Yeah, but you'll have to do a new tray like every month.
What does that look like, Trey?
It's clear plastic that you put over your teeth.
I have to wear it a month.
Basically every night. But yeah.
Ah, it's not bad. I want to try it.
I don't think there's anything wrong with your teeth, but okay. You don't have like uncomfortably crooked teeth or nothing. You're just not perfect.
I know, but I want like the like. There's a lot of teenager here make me jealous. Every time they talk to you, well, not now because you can't see their teeth because we're wearing masks. But before, I can a lot of teenagers like college, high schools, their teeth is like like what do you call that? Perfect.
You okay? Okay, I'm gonna fuck around. I'm gonna fuck around.
Anything I gotta fix?
Are you on? No. Oh, maybe my camera, my lens. Oh, I'm scared. Don't touch my camera.
I don't want to deal with that now.
Okay, good. I trust you, but
I don't.
I do.
It's where to put this.
I wanna do a spray paint for my box, but I'll do that when the sun is it's not out anymore. Like maybe in the afternoon. It's too hot outside.
No, just the right amount.
It is hot.
That's the Christine happiness hot.
Uh-uh.
Christine likes 90 degrees. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 93 degrees Fahrenheit.
93,
Expect
honey.
a low of 63 degrees.
It's not even that bad, honey.
No?
No.
93?
Just need to do now. I don't know where to put it, but
Did I told you that I talked to Warren this morning?
Nope.
He enrolled. But he
Why?
said for college. But here's the thing. So I already told him yesterday that you need a break because I need to save money. Not right now, maybe next year. So I told him already that. And also he said I already enrolled because I don't want to waste the year. Like, where did you enroll? The school that government like it's kind of like free government school thingy that you don't have to pay a tuition fee. You only care about the like transportation every day, and also
where is it?
like in tobacco, and also maybe if there need projects to do in school, and that's it. The thing you have to do like expenses. Other than that, no tuition at all. And I forgot what he got, what course, but it is 4 years course. He said I only need transportation and maybe some projects, not all the time, maybe sometimes if we do have a projects in school, and that's it for 4 years. And I asked, hi, and I asked, I don't know who's watching me, and I asked, how about Dang? And Warren said, yeah, he already enrolled. She already enrolled too, but Dang is not free. So she have a tuition fee. But like, okay, cool. You don't have to pay tuition for Warren though. You don't have to pay tuition like every semester. I don't know.
Do you know what they volunteered us to do? Warren just made it so we have to pay $70 to $100 a month for transportation, and then Dong more like
I don't know.
$250 for everything.
Wendy gotta take care of that.
She doesn't make enough.
I already told him that not today, not this year, but they still enrolled for.
Yeah, they need to start learning how to ask for stuff rather than doing, because I'm not paying.
I don't know who's watching me.
I'm getting really tired of that.
Thank you anyways, whatever. Comment down below. Let me know. I have one viewers. Thank you. I don't know. Maybe he messaged me. I don't know. I wasn't pay attention though. No. Alright. Oh, maybe Irene. Okay. Wait. Hi! Hi, Jonah May Natividad. Oh, paano mo ako nalaman na nagka-live ako? Nakasubscribe ka sa akin, no? Thank you. Kamusta dyan sa... kamusta? Oh, ikaw yung taga-Tanawan. Okay. Nakasubscribe ka sa akin? Okay, kamusta? Nasa Qatar ka? Qatar? Malayo ba yun? Malayo yun, oh. Thank you so much, Jonah May. Maraming salamat. Mag-try ka din magawa ng ng channel mo. Tapos ano mo yung Middle East. Mag-try ka din magawa ng channel. Tapos yun, maganda yung marami kang makakakilalang OFW din na nagbi-video sila. Try mo din tawag dito, maggawa ng channel. Yung mga video lang ng mga place, or kung ayaw mo magpakita ng mukha, pwede rin mag voice over ka, video ng lugar. Madali lang naman, lahat nga madali lang naman hindi naman kailangan magaling ka dito. Lahat naman na natututunan, madali lang naman to. Thank you pala sa pag-subscribe. Anong oras na dyan sa Middle East ngayon? Madaling araw, gabi? Kung may ka YouTube ka, try mo din. Ay, gabi na dyan? Okay, gabi na pala dyan. Gabi, okay. Dito naman tanghali. Anong oras na ba? 1:00 na dito. Ng tanghali. Ayaw mo mag-try mag-video-video? Try mo din. Mo lang. i-try mo lang. Kung ayaw mong pwede mo siyang i-private kung gusto mo. Kung ready ka na, pwede mo siyang i-public. Ganon. Try ka lang mag-video. Nakakatuwa. Ako din mahihain sa camera. Kuha parehas tayo mahihain sa camera. Ang gawin mo, tingnan mo. Nagti-TikTok ka nga, parehas lang naman yun ng TikTok eh. Gawa ka ng ng channel mo. Tapos, pwede naman kung mahihain ka sa camera, ganito na lang gawin mo. Yung iba, yung parang katulad ng iba, hindi pinapakita yung mukha nila. Yung nagsasalita lang sila sa camera, pero iba yung pinapakita nila. Halimbawa, yung lugar, or yung pagkain, DIY, ganon. Ganon na lang gawin mo kung mahihain ka pa sa camera. Ako nga din, mahihain din sa camera eh. Try mo, subukan mo, maganda. Nakakatuwa. Marami kang makikilala. Are you cleaning?
Yes.
Alauna na try ako mag-live ng isang oras. Ha? Wait. Na-confuse ako sa pag-uwi ko na lang ng Bicol akong magawa. Ang tagal pa yun. Umpisan mo na ngayon. Huwag ka nang umintay na pag-uwi mo ng Bicol. Sayang ng oras. Try ka nang gumawa. Try mo lang. Kung hindi mo gusto, okay lang. At least na-try mo. Malay mo, magustuhan mo. So, yay! Uy, may dalawa akong viewers. Thank you so much. Comment down below. Para malaman ko kung sino kayo. Wala ako dito isang phone. Oo, dali. Gawa ka tapos mo ako. I-PM mo ako para maano din kita. Masubaybayan ba? PM mo ako pag gumawa ka na. Hi Glenda. Hello. Thank you sa sa pagpunta. Wala lang ako magawa, nasa bahay ako. Day off po ngayon. So, habang nakaupo, so naisipan kong mag-live. Hindi. Sinong nanay niya? Hindi ko siya kapatid. Nick Sherbo. Yung nasa Nasa taas? Nasa purok 5, size 7? Hindi. Wala akong kapatid na romneck. Wala. Siguro mga ko na yun, mga third cousins ko siguro. Mga bata pa yun, di ba? Kasi wala akong kakilalang romneck. Pero may parang nasa yan eh, parang pinsang ko pa yan sa taas. Sa mga purok 7 ata or purok 5 or size. Pero narinig ko na yung wala lang ang kapatid na romneck. Wala. Okay. Baka yung pinsang ko, yun ang nakatira sa sa taas. Teka, taga-Tanawan ka tapos nagklase ka sa Sugkad site sa Sugkad or sa Malinaw? Na-confuse ako. Try ko mag-live like at least every day. Sayang din eh. Pag walang ginagawa, nakaupo lang, try ako mag-live stream sa YouTube. Oo, naalala ko nga, meron nga pala sa Sugkad na high school. Okay. Naalala ko na. Meron nga pala sa Sugkad na high school. Instead na sa balsa ka nagklase sa ano ka sa sugkad site ka nagklase ng high school. Okay, naalala ko na. Jonah May, thank you pala sa pag ano ha, laking tulong to sa akin. At least madagdagan yung ano ko, yung yung watch hour ko. Kasi yun yung hinahabol ko eh. Oo, tama. Tipid sa pamasahe. Okay. Tama, tipid sa pamasahe. Hindi ka pa natutulog dyan, gabi na? Thank you. Hindi ka pa natutulog dyan, gabi na pala dyan. Alas 10 na. I look nice though. Anong ginagawa nyo? Alas 4 na madaling araw kayo natutulog dyan? Marami ka din kasamang ano dyan? Taga sa atin? Or Pilipina lang talaga? Marami kang kasamang kalugar natin? Hey, thank you! I got 2 likes and 2 viewers. Thank you so much for visiting my live stream. Nag-English ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya eh, Pilipino siya or ano. Kaya nag-English na lang ako. So, marami ka din. Okay. Bantay kayo ng alaga. Alam ko yan eh, kasi yung trabaho ko dati, nagbabantay din ako ng alaga. Pero hindi abroad sa Manila lang yun. Yung trabaho ko dati sa Manila, yung nagbabantay din ng, ng bata. Okay. Okay lang yan. Ako din dati yung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa Manila. Nag-aalaga ako ng bata. Binantayan ko yung bata maliit pa eh, hanggang sa 2 years old ata siya. So, nakakalungkit din iwan kasi lumaki na sa akin yung bata. Nakakaiyak iwanan. Kasi ano na sa'yo eh, close na sa'yo yung bata. Nauubos ko na yung pinakain ko. Ang init ngayon dito sa sa Colorado. Sobrang init. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang. Pag summer. Ganun yung itsura. Colorado. Dito sa Amerika pero sa Colorado. Kasi malaki 'di ba yung Amerika eh. Tama, mainit nga din dyan. No. Mainit pa dyan all the time. Talagang palagi, everyday, mainit siya. Magluluto ako mamaya, hindi ko alam kung anong lulutuin ko. Kahapon ba ako hindi kumakain ng kanin? Buti may wifi kayo dyan. Oo, pag September sobrang lamig na dito. Ay, hindi naman. Pero start na ng, taglamig. Pag September. Meron din ditong okay, maganda may wifi. Oo, meron din ditong virus, kaya lang hindi masyadong malala dito sa place namin. Yung ibang lugar, talagang lockdown sila kasi masyadong malala yung ibang place. Pero dito sa place namin, hindi naman masyado na ano, okay lang. Pero nakakatakot pa rin kasi hindi natin alam eh. Ay, lockdown pa din. Hindi kayo pwedeng ano, lumabas? Hey, Joe na may. Ilan yung ano mo, gadget mo? Isa lang, cellphone lang. Patulong ako sa ano ko sa tawag dito. Sa ano ba? Tawag dito. Anong tawag sa Bicol nun? Baka hindi pwede sabihin dito eh. Baka maintindihan ako ni ano ni. Okay. Okay lang. Patabang sana sa ano sa hala, nakalimutan ko na yung Bicol. Paghiling sa mga ano ko sa mga video ko na para madagdagan. I got two viewers. Hello. I'm eating not healthy food. Snacks.
You'll be fine.
I'll be fine. Thank you. Puntahan mo lang yung ano ko. Hindi naman kailangan panoorin mo ano, halimbawa pabayaan mo lang siyang nakabukas or naka-play ang video, or pag may busy ka, may ginagawa ka, iyaan mo lang siya. I-play o ano, pandagdag ba sa aking ano, makadagdag sa views. My eyes is watery. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yun, tama. Pag nakabil nga talaga na ang tawag ito? Ma-notified ka every time na may bagong upload ako. Ganun yun. Oh, mayroon na akong 3 viewers. I got 3 viewers. Oh, no, 2. Whatever. Hello. Kain-kain lang. Pumunta pala ako sa dentist kanina. Ano tawag dito? Nagpalinis ng ngipin. Schedule ng linis ng ngipin ba? Buti na lang hindi tawag dito. Yung ngipin ko okay naman, hindi masyadong maraming etchechebureche kasi yung takot ako magpa deep cleaning ba, masakit sa ano eh, sa gums. Malalaki na alaga mo, Jonah? Ilang taon na sila? Malalaki na sila? Ah, 9 and 7. Malalaki na pala sila. Hindi, oo, hindi naman sa tawag dito. Dito kasi sa Amerika, masyadong care sila sa Yung ngipin, kailangan talagang alaga dito. Kaya, hindi naman sa, halimbawa, maganda. Wala na nga ako dito ngipin isa. Hindi naman sa maganda, kailangan. Ano tawag dito? Um, para mabantayan yung ipin mo ba, para hindi ma-avoid yung pagsira ng ipin mo, or ma-maintain yung ipin mong, yung regular, yung totoo mong ngipin, para mabantayan nila na, at least ma-save nila na hindi masira, or hindi bunutin ba yung ipin mo. So, nabibigyan ng solusyon kung may problema yung ipin mo. Pwedeng gawa ng paraan para hindi siya masira. Sabihan mo ko pag gumawa ka na ng ano mo, ng channel mo, PM mo ako para ano, ako yung unang ano, tapos mag ano ka din, tawag dito, mag video halimbawa sa labas, or anong tawag doon? Yung mga pagkain. Oo. Kailan ka uwi sa Bicol? September? May. Malapit na. Malapit na pala. Ay, medyo matagal pa pala. Nag-isip pa ako eh. Medyo matagal pa pala. Sa May pa pala. Okay.
I'm so confused.
Why?
It doesn't like any pins I'm giving it.
Oh. Nagluluto din kami kayo dyan ng mga ano, yung mga Pilipino na pagkain. Ganyan. Oh, sige, take your time. Okay lang. Maraming salamat sa pag punta dito. Ikaw din, ingat ka din dyan palagi. Thank you. Oo, sabihan mo yung mga friends mo, mga kakilala mo na suportahan ako. I-promote mo ba yung channel ko, na nag-promote na ng channel? Oo, pag may mga kakilala ka din na pwedeng tulungan ako. Yay! Sabihan mo sila. Para mapadami tayo ng ano. Ano ba yun? Tawag dito? Mga taga-suporta. Yay! Thank you so much, Jonah May. Salamat. Uy, sige na. Gawin mo na yung yung sinasabi mo kanina, okay lang. Balik ka na lang mamaya pag hindi ka na busy. Okay lang yan, take your time. Yung alaga mo. Bye! Ow. Ooh. Oh. What's gonna happen if I try to do live stream till like 3 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours?
Phone battery will die. That's about it.
That's about it. You're fun. Oh yeah, I'm not plugging in my phone though.
I'm just gonna reinstall Windows. This is too annoying. It won't let me take Mary's account off
Mm-hmm.
because it wants a PIN, and when it asks for a PIN, it shows my email. My PIN doesn't work, and hers doesn't work.
That's weird.
There's no other PIN.
Huh.
So I'm
Yeah.
reinstalling Windows. Problem solved. I'll plug it in back here. It'll go faster.
Sign into my account. Because maybe I can use that computer when I'm downstairs.
That's gonna be a local account. That way we don't need to worry about nothing. No online account at all. This computer is going to be its own computer, not not associated with anything.
Hmm. It is too hot outside.
It's getting hot inside.
You can turn on the AC on. That's fine.
You're going to hear a lot of buzzing.
That's okay. Nobody's watching right now. On my live stream, but I'm gonna just keep continuing. That's okay. Untuk ini.
Tree walk.
You make that tea, honey? Did you make that tea? In the counter? I want one.
What are you doing, T-Row?
I'm going to get
I'll drink that. That's super strong. It's got like this nice cup. Lots of water. You can try that.
Thank you.
Try it first. Let me. If you think it's too sweet, I can add water.
A little bit. Yay.
It's about 10%, maybe 20% less sweet.
Yeah, that's fine. I like that one. Not too sweet.
Not a big drive. That's okay, I'm not throwing much on it. I'd like to see how VR is on one of those. When VR first came out, like, it
Yeah?
wasn't really fast enough, but it was close.
Do we have a floss around here downstairs?
I do.
I think we do.
I bring some down for you and leave a bunch, and I don't know if you.
Oh, it's in my cabinet. I think it's right. Here. I knew it. The apple that's that. I like my tea.
So confused.
What?
Instagram. I was just scrolling down and it's like showing recommended Instagrams. So one of them says, Elizabeth is following you, follow back. Little button.
Who's Elizabeth?
I don't know. It's showing some like Korean
Oh.
K-pop person.
Oh.
That's what it looks like.
Really?
But they're followed by Lisa Cook. I'm like, who's named Elizabeth that me and Lisa both know? And I guess that just maybe Lisa knows arch niece Elizabeth, who I grew up with. Maybe
Oh,
that's her.
maybe.
I don't know. But
Maybe.
all these videos are freaking BTS, and she's like 40, so there's no way.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know who this is.
Oh, really good.
Let's see. Thank you. Oh, you're back. Bumalik ka, Jonah. Maraming salamat. Nakahigaan ako. Naantok ako eh. Anong video sinare mo? Thank you. Higa-higa na lang ako kasi naantok ko. Yung mata ko watery. Salamat, Jonah. Oo, pahingalo mo na. Sobrang init. Sobrang init sa luwas. Enjoy ang day off kasi pag may pasok, walang time masyadong mag-relax. I can hear the AC loud. It's okay. I can hear it in my audio. Oh, it's so much better though. But it's gonna be hot. I'm gonna fall asleep laying down here. I'm just gonna let my so my phone's like the battery. Are you?
You can plug it in.
I'm lazy. I'm comfy.
Yeah, you're definitely lazy.
I'm alive. I'm alive. Is that you?
That was
Okay.
me giving a rasp to an ad.
Oh, I can hear you in my audio. I'm going to fall asleep.
Yeah, okay, I'm busy. I'll do my thing, you do your weird thing.
I need my blanket.
Oh, this thing already finished, right? Yeah, stupid. Stupid old computer.
I think that's my computer.
No. You never had this one. I promise you, you never had this one.
Where's the computer that you used? I'm ready to go to bed.
Shit's broke. That's why you got new ones. Kept having things break on them. Remember?
Did we throw it away?
Lots of USB ports. Threw parts away.
Mm. I'm really clumsy. What's that?
USB. Thumb drive. Yeah, now it's gonna be all Windows configure-y and slow, and at least we have gigabit. That makes updates fast.
Mm-hmm.
Starting services. I don't think I've ever seen it say that before. That's how slow this computer is.
Yeah.
It's the only computer slow enough to say that. No, it's not that bad a computer.
The doctor did check my teeth.
Okay. They should.
Yeah, he just like wiggling out my like back teeth and everything. He like wiggling it, it's strong maybe. He said, "Yeah, my teeth is doing good," and he want me to do a 4 instead of 6 months, 4 months cleaning. I don't know why.
You're still recovering from your freaking gingivitis.
Oh, probably. Yeah.
Still trying to get some bone.
Mhm.
Uh-oh. Scabs wanting to come off. Stay. You're not done yet. I'll super glue it. Gave Mom better speakers so that we wouldn't have to listen to him as much. Because she had to crank him so loud to make him sound like okay. But now there's such better speakers that even at lower volumes I hear it.
Mm.
It's only like 4 solutions to that. This is a noisy little computer. Cortana is here to help.
Yeah.
Oh, this uncomfortable corner. I almost want to sand it. Get it more rounded so it doesn't poke as bad.
Mhm.
But it don't matter. Can I tell it to like just move on? Yeah. I'm in the United States. And I want a United States keyboard layout. Oh, it gives a Dvorak option.
What is the bar option?
Completely different key placement. Like every key's in a different place.
Mm.
We have a QWERTY layout. Dvorak is very different. This is my last Intel system. I've been on AMD for a while now. For almost everything. Although part of it's compatibility. Like, if something goes wrong, it's easier to tell what went wrong by plugging parts into other computers.
Oh.
So if one computer was Intel and the other was AMD, I could not diagnose much. Really just graphics, RAM. Add an account. Fine, I'll get up. Wants me to type. What's my Microsoft password? I think it's dirty. Yeah, like wipe it down. Whoa, got graphics drivers. There we go. Okay, give me that password back. So, password for Microsoft, probably one SHELVY0. One lowercase SHELVY0. Yep. Pretty sure only my money stuff has the better passwords. Oh, Steam.
Is it fine? I'm not gonna take in my YouTube channel if some, like, for example, someone share my YouTube channel on the Facebook saying like subscribe this blah blah
I'm
something.
confused. What?
Is it like I'm violating the law
For
if
what?
someone share my content in Facebook?
Why would you be violating the law if someone shared your content? I mean, first of all, if that was a problem, the problem would be with who shared it.
Okay, I mean,
And also, no, it's not illegal to share a video you made.
okay, and
Unless you're going to go copyright it, and then they're not allowed to share it.
Okay.
Create a pen. Letters and symbols. Okay. Activity history. No. You don't want to link it to a phone. No.
Oh, I'm sleepy. What time did you wake up though?
Like 5.
It's really early though.
No, it isn't. That's 2 hours later than normal. I got 2 extra hours of sleep, honey.
Yeah.
Privacy.
Yeah.
Off, 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 offity, off. Accept. Yeah, let's get all that crap off. So if I pull this up here, block this. It's almost quiet. Rings are noisy. And the best way to clean the desk, dirty sock.
Really sucks.
That's what I got. Gotta use what you have. It's a cloth that I don't care about. smooth as I'd like. We need to take a razor blade to it, shave off all the bumps. Probably has something to do with me soldering on it. I probably shouldn't have done that. But it is the best surface I have.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe my ring will fix it. It did. Whatever was on there scraped it off. So my ring is one of the hardest substances on Earth. So I'm not worried about damaging the ring.
Oh, I'm worried damaging my ring.
Yeah, well your ring isn't tungsten carbide. That's why I got this ring. I could put it on like a big chunk of metal and just hit it with a hammer. And it would be fine.
Really?
Yep.
Mm,
It actually protects my finger sometimes.
it is?
There have been quite a few times where I would have smashed my hand if I didn't have the ring. But it also gets caught. Okay, so just threw open the crap browser. I'll close it. Let's go to Windows Updates. My favorite. You can tell it to do something and then wait forever for it to finish. It's actually a really snappy system.
Huh?
Like when I click, see, watch. Does this seem slow to you?
No.
Yeah, see, it's like a really snappy system.
Yeah. No.
Snappy. Check for updates. Oh, so many updates.
Like how long that's gonna do an update?
Well, it's got to do the 1903 update, which will probably take half an hour for this computer, maybe longer. I mean, it's got an SSD, and that's the hardest part. Just moving all the data around. And our internet's incredibly fast. Like, it downloaded the first update in like 1 second. Although the 1903 update will probably take like a minute to download.
Yeah.
It's a good couple hundred gig. Although it's already downloaded 3 different updates. It actually, no, 1903 is already downloaded. Now it's getting things ready. No, now it's downloading again. And now it's done downloading.
If I use that computer to like what do you call it, edit my videos and render it, it's gonna be so slow. Not that fast at all.
Oh, it'll probably be horrible.
What
Want to install some stuff and find out?
how long do you think?
I don't know. We should do it just to see.
Oh, sure. How long? Is it like
I think it might make you mad.
really when I'm editing or something, doing something like
Yeah,
that?
I think like editing, like you tell it to play, it might just play real
Skip.
bad the whole time.
Skip.
I don't know. We'll have to see. How well does your computer do versus a 10-year-old system?
Oh, that's too old. Yeah, 10 years old.
Yeah,
Older.
but not a whole lot's changed in 10 years. I mean, every year-ish, a new system comes out. And, well, I don't know what the timing is. Probably like a year and 3 months.
A year and 3 months.
Yeah, every year and 3 months, probably on average, a new generation of processor comes out, and they're only like 10% faster, maybe 15, because Intel's just been doing so little for a while.
Really?
They've been getting better so slowly that AMD was able to catch up. Shh. This is doing updates too. Without my permission. This one done? No. It's installing the update. So it has to unpack files, which is very processor intensive. And then run through the scripts of deleting files, replacing files, which is processor and hard drive intensive. And this processor sucks, so it's gonna be a while. Just tell that one to restart. Hopefully it doesn't be all glitchy.
Glitchy, glitchy, glitchy.
Yeah, get the sound glitch.
Did you guys see that big increase we've had here
I don't know what you're talking about.
on cases? It increased 2.7% the week of June 7th, and it went to
Doesn't matter for
3.48%
Colorado.
last
We
week.
have like the lowest testing rates.
Right now.
Yeah, our state's pathetic.
I know everyone
most-
around us is pretty.
Most states are testing at like 1,500 to 2,000 tests per 10,000 people. We're at like 700. We're half of almost every other state for testing. So when you see our numbers are really low, it's because we're not testing.
I saw this morning that all Walmarts might close.
Yeah, I doubt it.
And then I also saw Walmarts are becoming drive-in theaters.
Yeah, I don't think that's happening.
What it says, 160 stores are turning into drive-in theaters. That was on CNN News. Maybe it's all bullshit. But,
There's no need.
huh?
There's no need.
I know.
Why would you need a drive-in theater?
Because
Everyone can watch their shit
people
at
can't
home.
go to the theaters
Everyone
right
can
now.
fucking watch shit at home.
Right, but like new movies that come out, we can't go to the theater and see them because we can't be in the theater. So theaters should be closing.
So Walmart's gonna rig up a speaker system for every single car and build theaters. Like it doesn't make any
They said
sense.
they're gonna have like right up front, big old screen, and then yeah, and I'm like, I don't see it.
All it's gonna that would hurt their business.
And if Christine hasn't seen it, then probably ain't gonna happen.
That would hurt their business.
Well, yeah.
So here's the logic. They have parking lots so they can do it. They use their parking lots for fucking customers.
Right?
So if it's full of moviegoers who are paying $15 per car, then they're losing hundreds of dollars per transaction from people not able to get in the fucking store. Because, oh, there's only 15 other parking spaces available. Like, it makes no sense. They're not going to hurt their business by taking away what they
Well,
need.
that's what I thought, but I was just like looking at news and going like,
And
wow.
just the logistics of setting up movie contracts and installing theaters and getting
They said
every
they were
car.
going to work with someone,
It-
Robert
it-
De Niro and some other
De
movie
Niro's a-
theater.
De Niro's an idiot.
Thing.
That makes it even less reliable. De Niro's not a smart man.
Well, he probably ain't.
All you gotta do is listen to the shit he says.